Hello everyone, this is Nadine Myron. Hola a todos, me llamo Nadine Myron. Welcome to another episode of One-on-One Spanish Tutor. Today we are going to work on Lección 4, Lesson 4. We are still on the present tense. We're going to start with irregular verbs, and this is the group that needs a GO. These are the verbs that belong in this group. We have the verb poner, hacer, traer, salir, valer, and caer. So these verbs are irregular only for yo. So yo is a form that you will have to memorize. There's no rule to add the GO, so you just have to learn it by heart. And for the rest of the persons, we are going to add the endings here in blue, depending on the ending of our infinitive. So here we have ER endings, and here we have IR endings for salir. And the verbs sound like this once they are conjugated. For poner, we say pongo, pones, pone, ponemos, ponen. Hacer. Hago, haces, hace, hacemos, hacen. Traer. Traigo, traes, trae, traemos, traen. Salir. Salgo, sales, sale, salimos, salen. Valer. Valgo, vales, vale, valemos, valen. Caer, caigo, caes, cae, caemos, caen. Here we have some sentences with these verbs. I'm going to only read the Spanish version, and you can check out here what it means. La casa vale $1,000,000. Yo salgo a las 8 de la mañana. Los estudiantes traen sus libros. Mi madre pone las flores en la mesa. El niño cae del árbol. Los perros hacen ruido. Nosotros hacemos la comida. Yo salgo con mi novio. And this is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out our Lección 5, where we will continue with irregular verbs. It's a new group of verbs. And if you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and subscribe. You can always reach out to me with any questions via my website, which is oneonOneSpanishTutor.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next lesson.